go back to refer to the autoresponder series in Social Payoff Insider. Okay. Now, once you set up with your email marketing tool, the one that I'm sharing on the screen right now is GetResponse. If you're using other tools such as iContact or Aweber, I believe you can do something similar. But for the case in this example, I'll just be using GetResponse. So, first things first, of course, log in. Okay, and once you log in, then in order for you to set up the first GetResponse or the first automatic email to send to them, what you need to do on GetResponse is go to Messages and then click on Create Autoresponder. Okay, so once you click Create Autoresponder, the tool will then ask you when do you want to send it to them. So by default it should be 0, meaning it sends to them immediately, and it will send on any of these days over here. Okay, and then what you need to do is click this link over here. It says create a new email. Okay, and then the message name you can just type in like maybe message 1 or message 2, and then the subject you can use the same subject that you've learned in the autoresponder video series. So in this case it can be thanks for signing up, here is your ABC, for example. Okay, I'm just using this subject title as an example. Alright, and what you do next is you click on next step in GetResponse. Okay, and then GetResponse, or again any other email tool that you're using, will ask you to choose which of these following templates do you want. So by default it should always be blank template. Okay, so I'm going to select the blank template, and then now I can just choose any of the text to put over here. So the first text I'm going to put over here is this text block here. Okay, and then I just had to do a very simple drag and drop, as you can just see over here. Maybe I'll show it to you again. Okay, so I just click on it, select, and then I bring it over here. Okay, now all these here are just random words, so what you need to do next is to delete them. Okay, likewise for this one, delete it. Okay, so here is where now we can write the message, and maybe just let me make it font a bit smaller. So hey person. Okay, so you can be hey. Again, this is where you're writing your welcome email. So remember the 3 things that you need in your welcome email: the thanks, giving them a digital gift, and the third one is planting open loops. So I'm just going to go ahead and write like thanks for blah blah blah. In your case it should be thanks for signing up for this, or thanks for signing up for this course, or thanks for registering to download this ebook. Just thank them for something, whatever it is, just thank them, and then give them the digital gift in the next part over here, and as you have requested, or it can be something along the lines like this, like as you requested, or as you requested, here is the ABC which you requested for. So this is the part where like the report which you're offering, or the video series which you're offering, and then again the last sentence should be how do you plant that open loop. Okay, so in the coaching we actually covered that, and then again the last part, so this part over here should be the open loop. Okay, and then the last part is thanks, and then you sign off, Marcus. Okay, so in this video what I'm going to share with you is how do you then attach the file. So I believe again all the other autoresponder software will have similar variations of this attachment file. On GetResponse, what you do is at the bottom right over here there is your little paper clip. So what you need to do is to attach it, to click it. Okay, and then you click add attachment, and in this case let's just say I want to attach this article here as my digital gift, so I will attach it here. And by the way, do not put files like Word document in there. In this example I'm just showing you how to do it, but it should never be Word document. In fact, it should be more of a PDF file. Okay, and then once you're done, then you just hit close. As you can see, there's one attachment, and then when you're done, then you press next step, Okay, and when you're done, then just hit save and publish, and that will make it done. In this video, of course, I will not be pressing this because I do not want to send this out to my list. Okay, that would be all for this one of the video. Now here's the thing though, if your file size is bigger than 400 kilobytes, the autoresponder tool most of the time would not be able to accept that. So in that case, if your digital GIF is more than 400 kilobytes, maybe it has a lot of images or maybe it's just a video series, then what you need to do instead of having it to attach the file is to watch the next video over here. The next video will explain how do you then also send out digital GIFs, but instead of file attachment, how do you then do it in another method. Okay, now if you're curious about it, you can then watch the next video.